welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you my recipe or what I do with the for a BioTrust fruit smoothie. You can use it in the morning if you have no time to make breakfast, just a fast smoothie instead of like a breakfast, a protein shake. Or if you just want something healthy, delicious, and refreshing during the day, this would be a good, healthy recipe. So I ordered a sample and I paid about almost $5 just for shipping, and the sample was free itself, and this is the box it came in. And then it had a takeoff 17% off if you would like to order, if you liked it. And then it comes with this BioTrust guide and product catalog, so just what else they sell, protein bars and other stuff. And this is the BioTrust Vanilla Cream Protein Powder itself. It is 5.3 ounces, 151 grams. It looks like a pretty decent size for me. I think that's pretty decent size for $5 to try it out and see if I like it. I've never tried it. But I always do fruit smoothies and we'll see how it tastes. Hormone-free, 4 grams of carbs per serving, made with natural ingredients, no artificial colors, sweeteners, or flavors. No GMO, soy, or gluten-free formula. You add 2 scoops to 8 ounces of water or milk or smoothie mixture, and so I'm going to be using my magic bullet in a cup. How I make my smoothies is frozen berries, juice, and fresh frozen fruit, fresh fruit, and juice. So I got this organic daybreak blend from Costco. It has peaches, mango, strawberries, and pineapple, high in vitamin C. And then I have fresh organic strawberries, so that I'm using fresh strawberries. I'm not gonna get the frozen strawberries from here. I'll pick the other fruit. And I have organic orange juice from Costco also. So put some peaches in here, pick out some mangoes. I always pick out what I want from, balance it out. Let's take out some peaches. They're taking a lot of room in here. That is a lot of peaches. Okay. Put some fresh strawberries in here. I heard that the leaves are really good for you, so I'm gonna leave them in there. Then put some orange juice. Some orange juice. Let's see. So I'm just gonna do 1 scoop. this is how it looks. It looks good. Now let's try it. Yeah, it's good. I can definitely taste the protein powder in here, but it's really good. And hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you till next time.